Welcome back, watch fans, and today we have another unboxing of a very special Tissot. We have here inside the box the Tissot Seastar 2000 Professional, not to be confused with the regular Tissot Seastar 1000. This one's a little bit different. You see here we have an integrated helium escape valve or gas escape valve, and of course that is for use with saturation diving, and this watch is a professional diving watch and still maintains an exhibition caseback with a Powermatic 80 movement. Love the gold motif on the bezel, the ceramic bezel on this version rather than the previous aluminum bezel insert, and of course the gold motif on the dial as well. Very elegant. That rubber strap is extraordinarily comfortable on the wrist. You still get a great package across the board with the, of course, screw down crown, exhibition case back there. Comfortable, sporty, and a great beach watch or great everyday watch. Not necessarily something with a suit, but hey, there's no one's allowed to judge you when it comes to what you wear on your wrist. Watch is available at Lugaro.com.